people drive a lot in Miami, and therefore the city mandates enormous parking garages for any project. The city really wants you to build these big parking garages, and then the city also doesn't want to look at parking garages because they hate parking garages. They just like to drive around. So it has become a thing in Miami for architects to be invited to kind of decorate these parking garages to make them look not like parking garages. And so we were invited to that, and we wanted to kind of expand. So, covering a parking garage we thought was a little bit of a shallow program. We only had 4 feet of space that we could work with. So they said you could project out 4 feet. So we had a very shallow site. Some would say Miami is a shallow city. So we wanted to kind of do as deep a program and a project as possible, and to create a kind of vertical, an exploration of what vertical public space could mean as we get denser and cities get bigger. Obviously just having parks on the ground might not be the best idea. And so can we make a vertical public space that connects all the floors of the parking garage just using that 4-foot space? So we call it the ant farm, because it's kind of like the circulation paths and all the programs are carved out. And in this 4 feet of space, we have a garden with a palm tree growing in it. We have that big mural art space. We have a lending library where you can take a book or leave a book. There's a little watering trough for your dogs. There's places to sit. There are stairs. There's a DJ booth. There's an auditorium. There's a place for a inflatable swimming pool. There's a little place you can plug in your phone and play music on speakers. There's a smaller art gallery, all within this 4 feet space as you go up and down. We painted everything pink because we used to watch Miami Vice when we were kids, and that was the color of the T-shirt and the flamingos. Yeah. And it's also a 100% magenta, which is an easy color for everyone to match because we were getting stuff from all different places. There's a playground for kids. Sorry, I was running out of things. I forgot. So here's the seats and we don't have the movie in this one. There's the little garden, music area, the lending library, the slide and playground, the bar, auditorium, the place for the inflatable swimming pool. And we worked with Zahner. We did this facade out of perforated metal, and so at night it is a cover for the parking. I mean, during the day it's kind of opaque, and you have this kind of carved out feeling, and then at night it all kind of glows, and the car headlights become available.